Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use the bulk order discounts on AliExpress. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. In order to go ahead and get bulk discounts, when searching on the search bar, you can simply go ahead and start writing bulk items wholesale or bulk any item that you want to get, right? And once you've done that, you can check the AliExpress site for a business section as well if you can't find any over here. So AliExpress business is right over there. And this is where you can simply go ahead and click on contact seller in order to go ahead and get personalized bulk pricing, especially for large quantities, as sellers often provide better deals privately. Discuss the total quantity, colors, and shipping. The seller might create a custom link with a agreed upon price for you to pay. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, and I'll see you on the next one.